Welcome back to WizzKidz TV. We're going to guess which one's the Play-Doh and which one's the slime. Let's mix them together. We're going to put the Play-Doh in this bowl and the slime in the other. This is Play-Doh and this is slime. Can you tell the difference between Play-Doh and slime? Let's find out which is which. And let's guess the colors of each. Let's choose this one. What color is this? White. Let's open it to see if it's Play-Doh or slime. I wonder if it's Play-Doh or slime. What does this look like to you? It's very firm and very soft. It's not sticky and it's not gooey. This is Play-Doh. White Play-Doh. Let's put it in the Play-Doh bowl. What about this? What color is this? Blue. Let's open it up. I wonder if this is Play-Doh or slime. Which one is this? It's so sticky. This is blue slime. That's right, it's so jiggly. Let's put it in a slime bowl. We're going to mix them at the end. It's going to be so much fun. What color is this? Orange. Well done. Let's open it up to see if it's Play-Doh or slime. What does this look like to you? It's orange Play-Doh. It's so much fun playing with it. Let's put it in the Play-Doh bowl. How about this? What color is this? Yes, it's pink. I wonder if it's Play-Doh or slime. Can you tell the difference between Play-Doh and slime? This is pink Play-Doh. That's right. How about this? It looks very translucent. It looks very, very clear. Almost see-through. What is this? Is this Play-Doh or slime? Yes, this is slime. Blue slime. What about this? Let's open it to find out. Can you tell me the color? Pink. It's pink slime. So much fun! Let's put it with the blue slime. Ready? We're going to mix them at the end. What's this? Is this Play-Doh or slime? Yes, it looks like slime. What color is it? Orange. Excellent job. Orange slime. Let's put it with the other slime. What's this? Does this look like Play-Doh or slime to you? Yes, this looks like Play-Doh. Do you know what color this is? Yes, the color green. Let's put it with the other Play-Doh. What's this? It's slime. Green slime. Let's do another color. What color slime is this? White. That's right. White slime. Let's choose a Play-Doh next. Let's choose this Play-Doh. Do you know what color Play-Doh this is? Yes, it's the color yellow. Yellow Play-Doh. Let's play with it. It's so much fun playing with the Play-Doh. Yellow Play-Doh. Pink Play-Doh. Let's open the pink Play-Doh. Let's see if we can choose slime next. Can you tell me which one is the slime? Yes, it's the purple one. Let's open it up. Purple slime. It's so jiggly. And so gooey. Purple slime. Blue Play-Doh. Blue Play-Doh. Let's see what other colors we have. Yellow slime, that's right. Yellow slime. Can you tell the difference between slime and Play-Doh? Let's have a look. Which one is the Play-Doh and which one is the slime? Play-Doh, and slime. Let's open them up. This is the color purple. Purple Play-Doh. And let's open the purple slime. Purple slime. We have 3 more. Is this Play-Doh or slime? That's right, it's Play-Doh. Another purple Play-Doh. This is a light purple. Light purple Play-Doh. So much fun to play with. Pink slime. Pink jiggly slime. We have 1 more. What's this? Blue Play-Doh. Let's open it up. Blue Play-Doh. Let's mix all the Play-Dohs together. Are you ready? Are you ready to mix them together? This is so much fun! It's like the rainbow! So many different colors! I see purple, orange, blue, yellow, pink. What color do you see? I see green too. I see orange and blue. There's pink over here. So much fun! Do you want to mix the slime together? Yeah, let's mix the slime together now. So many different colors. Can you name what color you see? Yes, I see green, pink, orange, blue, pink, purple, orange. I see so many colors. Let's mix it all together. Look at the green. This is so much fun. Thank you so much for learning about different colored Play-Doh and slime with me today. It was so much fun. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.